Welcome to my YouTube channel Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to design vector flower in Adobe Illustrator. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Press the Alt key and drag with the mouse to duplicate the circle. Select both circles. Go to Pathfinder and click on Intersect. Select the Direct Selection tool. Click the bottom anchor. Select the Rotate tool and set the anchor point. Press the Alt key and duplicate. Press Ctrl D for duplicate. Select and group all the shapes. Apply a gradient. Press the Alt key and duplicate. Press the Alt key and duplicate. Hope the tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Subscribe to the channel to see more Adobe Illustrator videos. Thanks for watching the video.